Carrying capacity is the maximum number of individuals of a given species that an area of resources can sustain indefinitely without significant depleting or degrading those resources. The birth rate may decrease or the death rate may increase until they are about equal. The graph below demonstrates a carrying capacity in a spider's population. In the first point, the birth rate is higher. The second point demonstrates the population carrying capacity, meaning both birth rates and death rates are equal. And the last point shows the death rate is higher. What causes carrying capacity or limiting factors? They can be either biotic or abiotic limiting factors. Biotic limiting factors are things like food availability of mates, diseases, or predators. Some examples are fungi, protists, bacteria, and animals. Abiotic is a non-living factor in an ecosystem. Some examples are water, soil, air, and temperature. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth at all levels, from genes to ecosystems, which can sustain life. Here we have a population of ladybugs, butterflies, and spiders. Greater species diversity ensures natural sustainability for all forms of life. Everyone has a greater chance of survival. For example, if you eat all three of these bugs and one species goes extinct, you have two other choices. Is it bad? If an ecosystem has poor species diversity, it may not function properly or efficiently. An example of this could be if you only eat spiders and they go extinct, you will be extinct next since your food source is gone. Primary succession occurs when new land is formed or bare rock is exposed, providing a new habitat that can be colonized for the first time. Pioneer species comes in and colonizes the barren environment. Next, decomposition creates a layer of topsoil. Grass then grows and displaces the pioneer species. More nutrients in soil allow for tree growth. This creates habitats for animals to live in. Secondary succession is a type of ecological succession in which plants and animals recolonize a habitat after a major disturbance such as devastating flood, wildfire, landslide, lava flow, or human activity. Here we have a climax community from a primary succession. A natural disaster such as a wildfire destroys it completely, leaving no life left behind. We start from the beginning with a bare rock until the pioneer species comes and we recreate our climax community again. The red line shows the predators, which are the coyotes, and the purple line shows the prey, which are the deer. As the number of coyote increases, this means that there will be a higher demand of food supply, which are the deers. This means that as high the number of predators rises, the number of prey will be lower. At the peak of the highest number of predators, the number of prey will be at the lowest.